This is Ken Rieli from Copperland. Today we're making up a new mixture of material to run through the gold turbine. As you can see, we have a very good mix of black sand and white or yellow sand. We have just over half a gallon of sand material, and this is the metal we're working with today. This is actually a combination of lead and tin, which is not even half the weight of gold, but if we can separate the lead and tin, it'll separate gold for sure, a lot easier. So we got exactly 30 grams of metal material, and it's kind of fine, chunky stuff. We're going to mix this in with our half gallon of black sand, and then we're going to feed that in through the gold turbine and see how much we recover. We're doing a scientific analysis of how much the gold turbine will recover versus how much it loses. So we'll run that material through and get back with you. Okay, so this shows you how black and dense the sand is that we separated our simulated silver gold from. There's some blonde sand on top, but it's mostly really heavy black sand, which is the most difficult material to separate gold from. But we got a really high percentage rate. We'll let you know what that is. We got a good high recovery rate on a metal material that's only less than half the specific gravity of gold. So if we're getting a good recovery rate on light metals, the gold will work even better. So we'll tally it up and let you know what it is. Okay, this is the material we recovered from the gold turbine. You can see that it's mostly metal, very, very little black sand. This is probably the lowest amount of black sand metal recovery I've seen in any machine. It'll be close to an ounce of recovered metal, and very, very little black sand and gravel. So we'll dry this, weigh it up, and let you know what we recovered. But that's straight out of the gold turbine. That's exactly how it comes out. Talk to you later. Okay, so here we have the results of our gold turbine recovery and black sand separation. Here's the amount of metal recovered. Came to 27.5 grams out of 30, which is a 91.7% recovery rate. We got one flake in the secondary catch basin, and there's the amount of black sand we got, which came to 2.3 grams. So that's the result from our second run on our gold turbine. Talk to you next time.